So I'm here with Mimi from TCOMAS. They're very new to me, going over some of their products. So Mimi, if you want to talk about these.
This is our new product, WG600 Pro, and it's automatic roll. It's also can click for it, and also if you want to just update your liquid color or change style, you can switch with other color.
Oh wow!
Yeah, like this one. Wait a minute. Yeah, the same.
Okay.
Also, this one is the automatic roll, so it's very heavy than another. Like, see.
Don't worry, you're doing it live, so I know it's a little rough live.
Yeah, because I can't see here.
Yeah, but I get it.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's
So you
beautiful.
can switch for it.
Yeah, that's.
You only need to buy one liquid color, or you just want to update or change your style.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, these are beautiful. They're compatible with socket 1851, 1700, and AMD, AM5, AM4. So cool. Thank you. And then tell me a little bit about this design. This is very interesting. So we're used to seeing that kind of display.
Mm-hmm.
This seems a little inverted. So like that one is rounded off like this.
Yeah.
This one is kind of, instead of going like that, it goes like that.
Yeah. Can change it like
Yes.
change rate.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. It's work.
Okay.
So just up to you. Hi.
So if we want to go over a little bit of this case.
With different. This one is the magnet neck.
Oh wow! I never noticed that.
Oh,
that
sorry.
piece. That's
You can take it off. Also
Okay.
can take it off. Can connect on here, neck on here.
Oh wow!
Or just put on the table on here.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
cool.
I can sew for you.
Sure. Thank you.
But you need to use the telephone to give them power. Here. On here.
Nice. Okay.
That side screen is connected with the cable. So if you with the cable use our the systems, everything is you can see the video and the picture. And actually you can custom that the like a pick which kind of picture you want to use it in the that CPU PC. When you use the PC, you can see everything you custom. You want to see the video, here like I mean the picture.
Yeah.
You can see the both way because you use our system to use this PC. Yes.
So you have a driver set for them.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful. This is the LG 700 Pro.
No, but the fan is
Oh.
FX800.
Okay.
The fan is FX800. It's different. It's
Oh,
different
wow.
than traditional fans like the magnet neck.
Okay.
Easy to change for it and easy to clean. Yeah.
So you just take it off.
Yeah, take it
No
off.
cables, no nothing. That's
Yeah.
magnetic.
Maybe
Beautiful.
in the future, the fan is need to update. Just take it off.
Okay.
Just this one to keep on the cover.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
And it connects through a USB-C connection. Okay.
Yes. Connect to USB-C.
Nice. That one's interesting too.
This one also is can switch for it. But in future, with all the covers will change like that one.
Okay.
That can more cover can change for it. Like today I want to change this one.
Okay.
Just buy this one to connect for it. Or tomorrow I want to have a screen like the smaller one or like the circle. Just buy a piece of the cover. Yeah.
And so you sell them separately as well?
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, like you every day want like wear the different clothes. So
Okay.
and today I want to wear the red one, the
Yeah.
red color. Tomorrow lucky color is a green one.
Yeah.
That depends.
Just switch right.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, sure.
可以了，可以了，去吧，去吧，去吧。